Crude oil WTI once again has got the support from 66 as we discussed in our yesterday's analysis, and precisely with the support at 66 we have seen a good bounce back. It is back to the next resistance zone at 69.2 and 70. And also if you look at the natural gas movement, yes, natural gas has also got the support at 2.5 and now trying to reverse a bit. However, it has displayed a very modest and conservative move yesterday without giving much of volatility. So now what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit trading crude oil, WTI and net gas? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start first to look into crude oil followed with net gas. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the levels. Now look at the hourly chart, see 68.8 and 68.6. These were the two supports. It has breached this. Also on the hourly charts, now it has generated a buy signal. So yes, once it stays above 69.2, anyways it is right now above 69.2 levels. I will wait for 69.6, buy here, expect 70.2, and then in fact we may see 71. Now see, only and only if it breaks past 71 and 73 zone, confirm it for a reversal. Till that time, let's be watchful and observant. What it is trying to do is higher highs, higher lows, trying to trade in this zone, and hence a bearish confirmation is below 68, very clear, and it may try to trade bullish only if it trades past 70.2 levels. Now we'll try to find out our entries in between also. See, the stochastic is overbought, the MACD is in green, trading with divergence looking upwards. RSI is also looking upwards, showing a little strength. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, similar observation on the 2-hour chart, support at 6.82 and then 6.88 levels, and since then it has given a breakout, trying to trade bullish from here, looking upwards, and this to be considered if it breaks past 6.96. So I'll wait for it to break past 69.6 levels, and once it breaks past 69.6 we can expect 70.2, and beyond that more bullishness might take it for 71. Now see, 71 73 zone is going to play a very important role, and beyond that we may see it trying to trade little more bullish there. Now if you look at the stochastic, this is looking upwards, the MACD has crossed over, this is divergent, bullish is still looking up here, and the RSI is also showing little strength on the 2-hour charts. So 69.6 is a good level where you can enter a trade there. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts also it is trying to aim high, but the 20 period moving average on the 2-hour charts are providing it a little resistance. 69.6 you can buy 70, or those who want to take a safe trade should wait for 70.2 levels. Beyond that only we can expect it to trade bullish. But if you look at the movement here, see, first of all you should see on the 3-hour chart, this is the bottom line there, and this is the long-term trend line. It is taking the support at 66 and trying to look upwards. See, double bottom is seen there and now trying to reverse a bit. Also see the slope there, slope is little bullish, which also indicates 70 levels certainly going to be a very good resistance there. So yes, you can buy at 69.6, but then expect it to not to show you extreme bullishness till it's below 70.2. Also if you look at the 3-hour chart, see previous 3 to 4 candles, lower highs, higher lows, and now it is trying to give a breakout here. So this is a bullish candle, probably it can stretch it a little bit. Stochastic at the overbought levels, the MACD is divergent and bullish, looking upwards, showing a little strength. RSI is also looking upwards, showing a little strength. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, see, I can see a possible reversal here, and then this breakout, it is trying to trade bullish. 70.2 is something I will look forward to, and beyond that more bullishness might take it for 72 also. But then till 73, let's not consider this for a reversal. Yes, right now with forming a double bottom, we can see a little rise here. Stochastic looking up, the MACD has crossed over, this is trying to diverge, this is trying to trade bullish, and this crossover is happening at minus 200 and a very bottom level. So yes, it can try to trade or give a slight rise here. RSI trying to look upwards and show a little strength. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. First of all, you should note that 66, it has given a support, it has reversed in then. Now 68 is a very good support, and it is trying to also remember it is trading outside, it traded outside Bollinger Bands, and that is why we can see a little pullback. And now I will wait for it to fall above 70 zone and come back into the Bollinger Bands. That is something I will look forward to. Next candle definitely once it starts, and if it stays above 69.6 and 70.2 zone, you can expect that it may show you reversal till 70 to 73. Possibility exists for this. The stochastic is trading at bottom. The MACD is bearish divergent, and if you look at the RSI, this is also trading at bottom. Considering this for the day, I will recommend you to buy here at 69 point. See, you can stay long till the time it stays above 69.2. That is what I can say, and this is a good time for you to enter. Expect 69.6, 70.2, and only if it stays above 70.2, we can expect 70.8, 71 levels, which is the next resistance, and beyond that, we may see it hitting 72 levels on the upside. On the downside, where to sell? Now, see, we have seen 68 as a very good support, but yes, you can sell here at 68.4 and then expect 68.2, 68, and then below that, we can expect again a drop, which might take it for 67.4, 66.5, and 66 levels. Now, remember for the day, do not trade between 68.4 and 69.2 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now, let's have a look at net gas, and yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts on 20th of March. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts on net gas. See, right now on the hourly chart showing a very good resistance at 2.6. And yes, on the hourly charts you can also see it is trying to reverse a bit, and support is seen at 2.56. So possibly once it breaks out beyond 2.62, you can stay long for 2.65, and if it breaks out beyond 2.66, 2.6566, and you can expect it to rise high, and then my favorite numbers at 2.7, 2.8 will be seen. Now see, stochastic looking up, MACD is in green trying to converge, RSI trying to show a little strength and look upside. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, yes, 2.6, 2.62, you should wait for it to break past by, and trading about 2.62, certainly we can expect a little rise. Also on the 2-hour chart, see a rise, retracement, and now looking upside. So maybe beyond 2.6 to 2.62, we can see a very good rise. Stochastic is seen dropping. The MACD is in green, trading with little divergence. RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, see also rise, retracement, rise, retracement. However, one must note that the previous highs are yet to be broken, and we are looking at lower highs. So I'll wait for it to break past 2.62 in order to confirm for a rise, and then expect 2.66, 2.7, and then we can expect it to rise for, in fact, further highs till towards 2.75 and 2.8 levels. Stochastic is seen dropping. The MACD is trying to trade with slight divergence, and RSI is also trying to show a little strength. So this is very clear. A rise above 2.62 you can buy, and the sell entries are only slightly lower level. Also on the 4-hour chart, see, one must note that so far we can see couple of drops, that is higher lows are seen there, and if you connect the dots here, you can definitely see that 2.5 is going to be a very good support. Also on the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 2.54. So in between 2.62 and 2.54 today, do not trade for this $0.8. The stochastic is seen rising. The MACD has crossed over trying to trade diverge. RSI flat, and if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts, see double bottom. First of all, a reversal was seen here, rise, retracement, and now trying to reverse. Also the next candle, something I will wait for. Once it breaks past 2.62 levels in the next candle, we may see it rising again, and we can expect 2.7, 2.75, and then if it breaks past 2.75, 2.76, it is going to fly high and confirm it for a rally from there. Stochastic is looking down. The MACD is trying to converge a bit. It has not yet crossed over. RSI is trading flat, and considering this in between 2.62 and 2.4 levels today, do not take any trade, and a good bearishness below 2.5 and a good rally above 2.75 levels can be expected. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training related queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you remember the entire day is in front of us. Asia session, Europe session, and then US session. Every session brings a little volatility, and yes, you have to always trade with a trailing stop loss so that uh, you can take care of the swings which these sessions might bring. Trade accordingly. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.